Vlogmas Christmas Cookie Challenge 2018. But right now, let's dig right in.
This recipe is so easy and actually requires no baking and only really 3 ingredients. Oreos, a package of Oreos, an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, and almond bark. And you can choose chocolate or white chocolate. Optional are the candy melts and the sprinkles. First thing we're going to do is you're going to need to chop your Oreos in a food processor until nothing but crumbs remain. I don't have a food processor, so this is kind of the technique that I like to use. I use a gallon-size heavy-duty Ziploc bag. Place the cookies in the bag and then beat the heck out of them with my rolling pin. So take out your aggression, your holiday aggression on the Oreos. And it's kind of a process between beating them and rolling them. And you really want it to get down to about coffee ground consistency. Put your Oreo crumbs in a large bowl, and then we're going to add to that the cream cheese, which you want to be room temperature and an 8-ounce package. Mix thoroughly until it's a dough-like consistency. Once it's that dough-like consistency, then you'll want to take a cookie sheet, put a little parchment paper on it, and we're ready to start rolling these out. I like to use a cookie scoop. It kind of helps me keep them somewhat uniform, but we will need to roll them out to about 1 inch in diameter balls and place them on your parchment paper. I tend to get between 18 and 20 of the 1-inch balls out of each batch. Once you've rolled them out, then you're going to want to take them and put them in the refrigerator to cool. While they're cooling in the refrigerator, I like to melt the almond bark. Now you can use chocolate or white chocolate. They're equally delicious either way. I've done them both ways, and they're pretty both ways. So whichever chocolate you prefer. Now to dip them into the chocolate, I found it easier than actually putting them into the chocolate and getting them out. I like to use this 2-spoon method. It keeps the chocolate clean so that your first one comes out just as pretty as your last one. And then just continue covering your cookies in chocolate until they're all done. For the next step, I melted some of the red candy melts and added sprinkles, but I wasn't really happy with the consistency of the candy melts. So then I went to my cupboard, got out some of the vanilla almond bark, and just drizzled it on with a spoon. And I think that looks so pretty and elegant and gorgeous. And then just added a little bit of Christmas sprinkles to give it that holiday touch. And we are done. These are simple, these are delicious, and they actually kind of feel decadent and gourmet. Believe it or not. Let me know if you decide to make these Christmas cookie balls and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you. And please subscribe if you haven't yet so you don't miss anything the Mickey Bunch or anything Disney. We look forward to seeing you again. And until then, we wish you a very Merry Christmas. I've had several people ask about the holiday ears that I wear, and these are made by Tailor Made Ears. You can reach her on Instagram at Tailor Made Ears. Thanks again, and Merry Christmas.